We're vocal performer.
Vocal performers.
Yeah.
Are you related?
No, we are all friends, but we're like brother now. So we are family.
And what is your dream? What do you want to do?
Our biggest dream is to win America's Got Talent.
So this is the dream.
Yeah.
So good luck.
I'm excited. They're like mysterious looking. I like it.
Gabrielle?
Unbelievable. I was in the club. I was at Coachella. We were in San Tropez. We were day trip. Like, it was amazing. I had so much fun. You got the audience rocking. Great job.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
This was very exciting. It was unexpected. We see 4 guys, no instruments, just your mouths and your sound and creativity. You know, you said, I want to win this. I want to have $1 million. You know what? I see all that possibly in your future. This was very exciting. And it was amazing. Julianne?
You guys were so versatile. You actually changed tempo multiple times, and that is so hard to do. I want to watch you over and over and over and over and over and over again.
Yes.
And you know what? There's going to be a lot of DJ producers watching this thinking, these guys have just put me out of business because you didn't need a track. This is not just keeping up with the times, this is ahead of the times. And you know what?
Thank you.
Let's vote. Let's vote. Go ahead.
Oh, it's a yes for me.
Yes.
That's 2.
That's 3.
And you know what? I'm giving you a yes.